Hello, I'm Sashi Sivram Krishna, and this is an introduction to my course Macroeconomics, a Modern Money Theory Perspective. Do you want to know how the modern monetary system actually works? How money is created and destroyed in a modern economy? Are you aware of the institutional realities of a modern money economy? This course will help you find answers to these questions and many others relating to contemporary macroeconomic issues. Based on a modern money theory or MMT perspective of macroeconomics, we can delineate the role of the state in addressing some of the most critical challenges that countries face in the 21st century: unemployment, environmental degradation, income and wealth inequalities, as well as social discontent. Through recorded video lectures, this course explains modern money theory lucidly but at the same time rigorously, drawing upon the works of MMT researchers from across the world. This course is for serious learners. It will not help you pass exams or improve your grades. It is for those who are concerned by complex issues that confront the world today, affecting the lives of millions of people. This is a no-frills course. No flashy videos, animation, or graphics. Be ready to take out your notebooks and pens and work through the lectures. I adopt a traditional classroom approach to teaching and learning. Although this is an introductory course, it will allow you to break down and engage in debates on complex macroeconomic issues that have often been mystified with jargon and irrelevant mathematics. The course will also enable an easier transition to more advanced courses in money, credit and banking that explore contemporary financial debates on shadow banking, repo markets, fintech and public policy. The course is divided into 6 parts, each part containing several short lectures that add up to about 125. The 6 parts of the course are macroeconomics and money, fiscal policy, modern banking and credit, monetary policy and central bank operations, inflation, profits and unemployment, macroeconomic country studies. The course package also includes several readings and video links. Who could take this course? Students of economics, from the undergraduate to the doctoral level, economics teachers who want to update themselves with the disruptive changes taking place in macroeconomics, business and economic journalists who are becoming increasingly important in influencing government policies and its response to crises, researchers and activists in think tanks and NGOs who engage with contemporary policy issues, and in fact anyone who wants to understand and engage with macroeconomic issues in the modern world. Are there any prerequisites required for this course? Strictly speaking, no. However, an exposure to introductory courses in micro and macroeconomics will certainly help. An interest in and engagement with global economic issues will also be an added advantage. A little bit about myself. I completed my Masters in Economics from the University of Bombay, now Mumbai, and PhD from Cornell University in the United States. My research interests have been eclectic, ranging from environmental, economic, and monetary history to contemporary issues like the Human Development Index, equity in water sharing, contract farming, and self-help groups. It was only 5 years ago that I came across modern money theory, or MMT. As I began to learn, understand, and appreciate it from the works of its leading proponents, I was perhaps for the first time able to make sense of macroeconomics. It opened up a whole new world to me. Since then, I have written a book on the relevance of MMT in the Indian context, as well as authored several academic papers and popular articles on issues facing countries across the world, including Saudi Arabia, Norway, Iran, Turkey, Russia, Argentina, China, and India. In designing this course, I have kept in mind the challenges I faced grappling with MMT and will explain them to you through my lectures, making it easier and faster for you to overcome them and get down to engaging with macroeconomic issues of the day. I must make a disclaimer here. I do not claim originality for the topics discussed in the course. However, the responsibility for any errors are solely mine. I would appreciate any comments from students on inconsistencies or the lack of clarity in explanations so that I could improve upon the course. Thank you for watching this introduction, and I look forward to you joining my course, Macroeconomics, a Modern Money Theory Perspective. I am sure this course will change your macroeconomic worldview of how the modern monetary system actually functions and the policy possibilities that emerge.